Sabadi, happy Halloween, guys!
Alright, welcome back to our channel, Think How With Us. I'm Sabrina.
I'm Brittany. And I'm Katie.
Today we are going to show you how to make Ba McLin,
which is a deep fried fish with a tomato sauce. Alright, this is one of my favorite things to eat with some jasmine rice. What you're going to need today is some flour. We just added a little salt and pepper in there. Garlic, ginger, some onions, tomatoes, green onions, cilantro, sweet Thai chili sauce, hoisin sauce, and oyster sauce. And then your fish, typically this would be made with a tilapia fish. Grocery store didn't have it today, so the closest thing to that was a seabird fish. So let's get started.
Let's go, guys.
So I have flour and a little bit of salt and pepper just to taste in this bowl. It's not measured, it's just to dust onto this fish. Okay, while our whole fish is frying, we like to make a side batch for the kids, and usually my kids, they like salmon, and to make it easier and so I don't worry about them choking on a fish bone, I like using skinless, boneless fillets. So once our fish is done frying, I'm going to fry up the fillets for the kids, so that's what we like to do in our house, makes it easier if you have young children. So it has browned really well on both sides, and it's ready to come out of the oil. To start our tomato sauce for our fish. We're going to start with adding the minced garlic that we did earlier. Tomatoes are pretty much broken down completely, and we're going to add in a little bit of our cut up cilantro and green onions, and we're going to save the rest for garnish. Alright, so we have lots of leftover sauce after Katie put some on the deep fried fish. I like to personally, rather than top my fish with the sauce, I like to put my fish right into the sauce and let it kind of cook in there a little longer. So it's all preference. obviously the kids love it, so if you're having trouble getting your children to eat fish, this is a great recipe that kind of hides that really fishy taste if that's what they don't like and smell. I'm so excited to eat.
Let's dig in.
I just prefer eating fillets because I have business with fish bones.
And then
Little
business.
guys.
Brittany choked.
You did?
Brittany wouldn't just choke on a fish bone. She would choke on a grain of rice, so. Those are no-goes for her. She's worse than a kid.
Oh my.
Mommy, I chewed it.
Oh,
I chewed it. I chewed it. I chewed it.
That's so good.
I chewed it.
very sweet.
Wow.
It's yummy.
Alright guys, there you have it. Ba Mat Linh, and let me know how you enjoy our meal. Comment below and subscribe and like our channel. And also, happy Halloween!
Bye.
Stay safe!
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.